So guys, taking a personal loan from the Mashreq Bank is very easy. Begin by logging in into your Mashreq Neo app. Once you are logged in, you can see here at your dashboard the account section, the wealth section, and the finance section. Once you click on the finances section, you will see that you can get a personal finance loan. Again, tap on personal finance. The benefit of this loan, guys, is that you can avail a loan 20 times more than your salary. You will get the best interest rate, free cancellation up to a period of 5 days, high finance amount, plus a flexible loan repayment period. So to get started, simply tap on the Apply Now button. Here are a few things you need to keep in mind, okay? You must be a resident of UAE, 21 years of age or above, and also employed. Mashreq Bank will check your credit record via the Al Etihad Credit Bureau, and they will check the last 6 months of your bank statement, okay? So tap on Agree and begin. Start by entering your company name in this box here. Enter your monthly salary. Enter the date that your salary gets credited to your bank account, and also enter your profession. Enter the start date, and lastly, enter your work email address. Once you have entered all this necessary information, review it and make sure it's correct, then tap on the continue button. Select the emirate where you stay. Go ahead and enter all your other home address details. Again, here, enter your work address. Move on to the next step. Here we have to provide a reference contact in case Mashreq Bank wants to reach out to you and they can't get you. So enter here their name, enter their mobile number as well. Enter their home address, that means their home country details, their mobile number, home country mobile number, and then enter their home address. On this next step here, select your monthly average expenses. So I'm going to bring this down to 1,500. Okay, and then select whether you pay your life expenses with or without a credit card. If you use a credit card, you can toggle this button on. If you are married, again, you can toggle this on. If you don't have any children starting here in the UAE, no need for you to toggle this button on. So tap on the continue button so that we can move on. Wait for a few seconds while the Mashreq app checks for your eligibility status. If you are eligible for this loan, you'll be able to proceed by entering the amount you want to take as a loan. In case you don't meet the eligibility criteria, your loan will unfortunately be declined. So if your loan is declined, you can try these 3 easy apps. I will leave the video on the screen. These apps will give you a loan even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams.